Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Polynomials Part 4. In this Part 4, we discuss about algebraic identity. What is an algebraic identity? It is an equality that holds for any value of its variable. That means an algebraic identity is an equation which is true for all the variables in it. In this, we can take any value for variables that is true. Okay. So, for some examples of algebraic identities, the first one, a plus b whole square. So, a plus b whole square can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is an algebraic identity, one of the example. So in this is LHS and this is RHS. So AB are two values. By taking A and B any values, it is true for this equation. Okay, next, second one, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. And third one, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So we must learn these identities. So these identities are very, very important. By using these identities, we can expand the given polynomials and we can factorize the given polynomials. Okay, the fourth one, a plus b whole cube can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, or it is written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a 3a square b plus 3ab into b 3a b square. So we can write the first one or second one, both are equal to a plus b whole cube. The fifth one, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, or in other words, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus 3a square b minus 3ab into minus b, minus of minus plus 3ab into b, 3a b square. Yes. Next, the sixth one, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And next one, a cube minus b cube is equal to, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And next, eighth one, a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And next, ninth one, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. And next, 10th algebraic identity, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca can be written as a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is very important in ninth class. Next, and one more very important formula. So it is very important. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, this is very important formula. So now proof. Right, here they given a plus b plus c equal to 0. Then required to prove a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. How we prove this? First of all, write given. What is given? A plus b plus c equal to 0 given. Now transfer c from left to right. Then a plus b is equal to minus c. Now cubing on both sides. A plus b whole cube is equal to minus c whole cube. Now it is a plus b whole cube formula. We know very well a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to minus c cube. Right. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. What is a plus b value? Minus c. Substitute here. Minus c is equal to minus c cube. A cube plus b cube plus into minus 3ab into c, 3abc. That is equal to minus c cube. Okay, a cube plus b cube. So minus c cube transfer from right to left. It will become plus c cube. That is equal to minus 3abc transfer from left to right. It will become 3abc. So this is the very important formula. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, keep in your mind. It is very important. Yes, one example. Find minus 10 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube. So what is its value? Without doing multiplication, by using this formula, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Here what is a? A is equal to minus 10. And what is b? 4. What is c? 6. Here a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is equal to a. Minus 10 plus 4 plus 6 gives 0. So we know very well, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then what is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, so what is a? Minus 10 cube, minus 10 whole cube, plus what is b? 4 cube, plus what is c? 6 cube is equal to 3abc. 3 into a minus 10, b 4, c 6. That is equal to 3 into minus 10 into 4 into 6. 3 4s are 12, 12 6 are 72. 72 10s are 720. Here it is negative, minus 720. This is the value. So minus 10 whole cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube value is minus 720. That's it. By using this formula, we can find such type of problems.